Hello, my friends. Want to have used systems create more money, create more time, and get more fit? I've got stuff for you. Jim Squares here. Got some productivity hack for you today. But first, make sure you like and subscribe down below, and share this with others, especially if you think they'll benefit. And we'll get going right into it. So, how to motivate your kids easily. So that's what we got. So what I do in order to make this happen is identify those activities that they benefit the most from and reward them to participate in them. So, for example, I might reward them with food they enjoy. We like to ski. That's something we like to do. And they enjoy it, but then every once in a while I'll throw in a little treat. Like we'll bring granola bars, like a special granola bars they really like. Or I'll go buy a box of beef jerky and I just hand it out at the, after the skiing, or tubing as we like to do. Anything that's physically active, because it's hard to get us all physically active, including ourselves. So I know I'm as guilty of this as anybody, where I'm just not as physically active as I should be. Where I should be going for walks. I should be getting outside. I should be taking my dog for a walk. Things I don't necessarily always do, but then I reward myself with that. And so what I like to do is food. That's been one of the best. Electronics, you can do that as well. I don't know if I like that one as much, but I don't know if food's any better. So, but here's the things I use as rewards for food-wise: is granola bars, beef jerky, frozen pretzels. So I buy a box from the grocery store and just throw them in the microwave and say, hey, we're home. Great job in skiing today, or whatever it was. We're on this walk. Let's have frozen pretzels. And they're all like, yeah, and they go crazy and they have cheese dip or jalapeno dip or whatever it is they like. Cheese curds is another thing. Mozzarella sticks, they really like too. And then if you're so inclined, ice cream, you can do that too. Because what you're doing is you're associating a reward with a good behavior, and that's okay. Like some of the it's hard because the reward, as long as it doesn't counteract the good behavior, but you're really trying to establish and reiterating, do these good behaviors and you will be rewarded. And you can use these things on yourself too. It doesn't have to be necessarily for your children. If there's an activity that you just dread, like writing a paper or studying for a test or finishing your taxes, then put your favorite beer in the fridge and go, hey, when I'm finished with my taxes, I'm gonna drink that beer, or whatever it is, gin and tonic, Long Island, because you might need that after taxes. So, but that's what I got for you. That's one of my better tips. I like that a lot. We use it all the time, and it is fun. Because you bring joy to your family short term, and a little bit, and it gives them another burst, and associates happiness with good things. So, in the meantime, to continue learning, I recommend checking out my video on persuading others easily. So you could probably use some of this in there too. So, and keep growing together. Share this with others, and we'll be talking later.